If you're looking for paths that allow you to gain a lot of money over time, investing in stocks is one of the most desirable. Who doesn't want to see their money grow? If you're new to the idea of investing in stocks and are looking for the best in the market, this video is just for you. Welcome to Fix Your Finances. If you want to build your financial wealth and fill your mind with the right information, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for us to provide you with more valuable content. Number 10. Amazon.com Inc. Amazon is stepping into 2021 with tremendous opportunities. Starting with e-commerce, it has expanded the markets to pharmacy services. It is now taking on a $4 trillion healthcare market, which gives it a chance to continue growing. The price performance of Amazon is 73.5%, which is excellent for existing shareholders. The biggest reasons for this massive jump in performance is because of the coronavirus pandemic. Since the virus broke out, many have been forced to shop online, which has obviously helped Amazon. The sales rose to 37% just in the quarter of 2020. The income of Amazon has nearly reached $6.2 billion. The company has also other rapidly growing businesses such as Alexa, Kindle, and Amazon Web Services. The success of Amazon is predicted based on the popularity and growth of Amazon Web Services, which is a cloud computing division of Amazon. As an investor, it is a good choice to buy stocks from Amazon because of its rising dominance in e-commerce and the tangible benefits received by cloud computing clients. Number 9. QUALCOMM Inc. In the past year, Qualcomm stocks have been continuing to lead the way. The 5G networks seem to extend over cities faster than anticipated. The price performance of Qualcomm is 75.17% as of January 2021. Even though Apple could cut down the services of Qualcomm after they managed to make their own modem chips, Qualcomm survived sharply after the second half of 2020. Based on combined fundamental and technical metrics, Qualcomm has outperformed 94% of all stocks. The earnings of Qualcomm have risen to 86%, which the revenue has reached up to 35%. Qualcomm has the patent for the 5G chips currently being used in Apple iPhone 12 and Samsung 5G devices. 5G networks are being built faster than expected, and this has paved the way for Qualcomm to power the world's first 5G personal computer. Although some analysts say that Qualcomm stock is not a good buy now, the chips could have a big breakout in recent times, making it a top-class technology provider in the global economy. Number 8. Apple Inc. It is said that Apple should be one of the top-performing stocks in 2021. The accelerating digital transformation of this company through various smart devices such as iPhones, iPads, and Macs is why one can bet on Apple. The growing optimism of an Apple car hitting the market shortly give all the more reason to buy stocks from Apple. The price performance of Apple is 76.19% after the brand new AirPods Max and iPhone 12 with 5G hit the market. It has exposed Apple to an increase in financial performance in 2021. Apple's revenue is $102.8 billion because of its impressive performance in shipping up to 195 million iPhones in 2020. All this indicates that Apple is one of the best choices you can make for buying a stock in 2021. Number 7. SYNOPSIS Inc. SYNOPSIS is a part of the computer and technology sector that has about 616 individual stocks. Based on recent data, SYNOPSIS's price performance is 82.63%. In the past quarter of 2020, SYNOPSIS's earnings have moved 3.72% higher, which is a sign of improvement and a positive earnings outlook trend. Based on this information, SYNOPSIS is known to be performing better than its sector in terms of year-to-date returns. The revenue has surpassed the previous estimates to $1.03 billion by 0.5%. The rise in stock's demands can be attributed to machine learning, artificial intelligence, 5G, and cloud for advanced solutions. The clientele pool of SYNOPSIS has widened to contribute 75% of the total revenue generated. SYNOPSIS has an excellent momentum for investing at this rate, and it is one of the best choices. Number 6. CATALENT Inc. This is one of the leading global providers of advanced technologies, development, and manufacturing solutions for drugs, biologics, cell and gene therapies, and other consumer health products. If you are looking for a growth stock, then it is time to focus on this company. The price performance of CATALENT is 87.27%. This company saw an earnings per share growth of 16.6% in 2020 and is looking incredible for this year. In fact, analysis estimates growth to 19% more in this current year, suggesting good prospects. As the world's pharma and biopharma companies are working hard to develop treatments for the coronavirus pandemic, almost half of these manufacturers have been pitched to CATALENT. CATALENT's revenue grew more than 65% in the past year and is expected to increase by 20% growth in 2021. There are over 1,500 clinical trials under this company, and investors looking for a low-risk way to tap into growing biopharmaceuticals, this stock is a great fit. Number 5. West Pharmaceutical Services Inc. The company develops, manufactures, and sells components required for delivering pharmaceutical, healthcare, and consumer product industries. With a positive cash flow, the metrics for West Pharmaceutical Services is higher than 90.78%. The capitalization of this organization's market is $22,197,377,469. The expert solutions offered are of much value considering the COVID-19 pandemic outbreak. Since 2020, this service's products are in huge demand. The knowledge that vaccine delivery systems are of high importance in the present world makes it a promising company to make your investments. Number 4. ABIOMED Inc. This is a well-known company for cardiac and circulatory support devices such as Impella heart pumps and several other cardiopulmonary systems. While most of the world may not have heard about such a company or the machines they manufacture, your doctor would have most definitely mentioned this name if you have cardiac-related issues. With the coronavirus outbreak, several individuals require life support when their cardiac function is heavily impaired. Although the revenue may not be much due to the coronavirus situation and ongoing clinical trials, in the long run, both problems are negligible. The price performance of ABIOMED as of January 2021 is 93.38%. The company derived about $798 million in the past year just from Impella devices. The profit margin of this company has risen above 20%. As said, if you are looking for a long-term investment that will benefit you in the future, this is one of the best decisions you can make. Number 3. PayPal Holdings Inc. Over the past few years, the shift of financial transactions to digital modes has been revolutionary. With the reliance on e-commerce, PayPal has done quite well in the past few years. Consequently, the price of shares has almost doubled in value in the past year. Several analysts believe this trend will continue in 2021. The revenue of the company has increased by over 25% with increased advances in digital wallet capabilities. With its recent addition for users to invest in cryptocurrencies, it has profoundly impacted the digital world. The zero interest rate plans make it more reliable for users and increase the possibility of this performing even better in the coming future. Several merchants and retailers have also shifted their transactions to PayPal in the year 2021. As of January 2021 reports, the price performance of this company is 115.99%. It is also noteworthy that the profits are rising faster than revenue, making it a dictating digital platform that has performed well the past few years. If you are thinking about investing in PayPal stocks, it is a great decision. Number 2. NVIDIA Corporation. NVIDIA is the leading company in artificial intelligence that makes self-driving cars and cloud gaming a possibility. The stock was a big winner in the year 2020 and still has options in the coming years. The new gaming system developed by NVIDIA alone has seen a generational leap in performance, generating billions of dollars in revenue. This company's price performance is estimated to be 127.13%, termed overwhelming by some. The sudden rise of cryptocurrencies as drivers of demand in the recent market has made this company a good competitor and one of the best investments you can make. Analysts also expect a 48% rise in earnings per share along with a 55% growth in revenue. Number 1. Etsy Inc. Etsy Inc. can be regarded as one of the best business models as its creators produce one-of-a-kind products. It is home to handcrafted pieces to vintage treasures. With the vibrant community of people connecting over unique goods to sell extraordinarily, buy extraordinarily, and shop securely, Etsy Inc. is used as the most reliable platform. In the data made in January 2021, Etsy Inc. has the highest price performance ratings, standing at 289.71%. If you are looking for opportunities where you can buy high but hope to sell even higher, Etsy Inc. is the best available option as of 2021. By the end of October 2020, it reported a smashing revenue of $451.1 million. Etsy has been rated as topping 99% of all other stocks in the market. This company has key performance metrics and good technical strength, making it top of the list of best performing stocks in 2021. Let us know in the comments below which stock you are considering buying. And make sure to subscribe and follow us on Instagram at FixYourFinances_. See you next time at Fix Your Finances. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends.